Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna see Loft Por Santa Maria. I'm right in front of the Mercato Nuovo, right next to the Fontana del Porcellino, and it's considered good luck to touch the nose of Porcellino, so give it a try when you're here. We're gonna go to the apartment right now. Let's go. We just came from the Mercato Nuovo, and on our way to the apartment, you can see here on my left Piazza della Signoria, the Palazzo Vecchio, and the copy of the statue of David. And right in front of us is Ponte Vecchio, and the apartment is a couple of steps in front of us. We've reached the main entrance of the building. We are going to go to the first floor to Loft Por Santa Maria using the elevator. Let's go. We are in Loft Por Santa Maria. As you can see, it's an open space. This is a sofa bed, but with a very good quality mattress. This loft overlooks an internal piazza, which makes it very quiet at night. The style of this loft is very modern and artistic. The kitchen is fully equipped and functional. As always, Nespresso machine and capsules are always available. The bathroom is this way. It is spacious and bright, fully equipped, and the shower is extra large. Behind this door, you will have access to an external area where you can find a dishwasher, a washing machine, and a sink, and a small patio, very useful if you're a smoker. Like in all apartments of Firenze Rentals, you will be provided a city map with some suggestions of restaurants and bars. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao!